Downtown Manhattan, the beating heart of New York City, pulses with energy and history. The majority of tourists focus more on Midtown, but there's something for everyone in this vibrant area. Whether you're looking for a history sites, a foodie, or a lover of art and architecture, downtown Manhattan has you covered. Let's dive into the best things to do in this captivating district, but don't forget to let me know your opinion in the comments below. Oculus, a modern architectural marvel. Your trip to New York City should definitely include a visit to the Oculus, an incredible transportation hub and shopping center located at the World Trade Center site. Designed by renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, this place is a true architectural marvel. The building's design is simply stunning, with its soaring white ribs and expansive skylight that makes it look like a massive bird taking flight. As you wander through the Oculus, be sure to take some time to really soak in all the incredible details and snap some photos to capture this architectural wonder. Trust me, you'll be seriously impressed by the sheer scale and beauty of this place. With its shops, restaurants, and bustling atmosphere, the Oculus is a must-see destination on any trip to NYC. Wall Street. Walking down Wall Street is like stepping into the heart of global finance, where towering skyscrapers and bustling crowds define the landscape. As you stroll along this iconic thoroughfare, the palpable energy of the financial district surrounds you, with traders rushing and the constant hum of business permeating the air. Amidst this flurry of activity, the New York Stock Exchange stands as a symbol of economic power and prestige, its imposing facade evoking a sense of awe and reverence. Pausing to gaze upon this historic institution, with its iconic columns and the American flag fluttering in the breeze, one can't help but feel the weight of its significance in shaping the world's economy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or simply a curious visitor, a visit to the New York Stock Exchange is an unforgettable glimpse into the heart of global finance. Coyote Ugly. A night of fun. Experience the lively atmosphere of Coyote Ugly Saloon, a famous bar known for its rowdy bartenders and country music. Let loose and dance the night away as you enjoy drinks and good company in this iconic establishment. Get ready for a wild time as the night heats up at Coyote Ugly Saloon. The bartenders really know how to put on a show, dancing on the bar and keeping the drinks flowing. With country tunes blasting through the speakers, you can't help but tap your feet and sing along. The lively crowd only adds to the electric energy in the air, making it the perfect spot to let your hair down and party the night away with your friends. If you're downing shots or sipping on a cold beer, Coyote Ugly is guaranteed to deliver an unforgettable night of fun and shenanigans that you'll be talking about for weeks to come. So, grab your crew and get ready to whoop it up cowboy style. Little Island, a verdant oasis nestled in the heart of New York City, captivates visitors with its whimsical charm and breathtaking views of the Hudson River. Situated on the revitalized Pier 55 along the Hudson River Park, this remarkable parkland seems to defy urban conventions, resembling a floating leaf poised delicately upon the water. Its undulating topography, adorned with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, invites visitors to wander along winding pathways and discover hidden nooks. Little Island's unique design, envisioned by renowned architect Thomas Heatherwick, seamlessly blends nature and artistry, offering a sanctuary for relaxation and creativity amidst the bustling metropolis. From its picturesque amphitheater hosting eclectic performances to its inviting lawns perfect for picnics, Little Island fosters a sense of community and wonder, inviting all who enter to escape the city's hustle and bustle and embrace the tranquility of nature. Ipic. Movie magic. Catch a movie in style at Ipic theaters, where luxurious seating, gourmet dining options, and a full bar await. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the latest blockbuster in comfort and luxury. It's like having your own personal home theater, but way better. No more fighting over who gets the comfy recliner or dealing with a sticky floor. At Ipic, every seat is a plush, cozy oasis with plenty of legroom and personal service at the push of a button. Forget crummy popcorn and flat soda. We're talking chef-inspired cuisine and craft cocktails delivered right to your seat. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel like a VIP. The friendly staff will greet you and show you to your luxe leather lounger, complete with pillows and blankets if you want to really kick back. Once the lights go down, you can savor every detail of the brilliant picture and immersive sound. It's a true cinematic experience that makes going to the movies feel special again. Be warned though, after an Ipic visit, you may never want to go back to ordinary movie theaters. Emily Burger West Village. For a truly delectable culinary experience, head over to Emily West Village and indulge in one of their mouth-watering burgers. This local eatery has gained a reputation for its creative and innovative burger toppings, as well as its cozy and inviting atmosphere. When you sink your teeth into one of their juicy patties, you'll be treated to a flavor explosion with decadent ingredients that will have you savoring every single bite. If you're in the mood for something classic or looking to try something new and exciting, Emily West Village is sure to satisfy your burger cravings and leave you feeling completely satisfied. Aire Bath. Serene relaxation unwind at Aire Ancient Baths, nestled in a historic Tribeca building. Immerse yourself in thermal baths, indulge in soothing massages, and partake in relaxation rituals that will rejuvenate both body and soul. Let the tranquil ambience and therapeutic treatments melt away your stress and worries. Step into this urban oasis and leave the hustle and bustle of the city behind. As you sink into the warm, soothing waters, you'll feel the tension ebbing away with each breath. The dimly lit, candlelit spaces create an atmosphere of pure serenity, inviting you to truly unplug and be present. Whether you opt for a revitalizing massage or simply spend a few blissful hours drifting between the various temperature-controlled pools, you'll emerge feeling like a new person. Refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the world again, at least until your next visit to this hidden gem of relaxation in the heart of the city. Statue of Liberty. No trip to the heart of New York City would be truly complete without making the journey to see the iconic Statue of Liberty. Hopping on a ferry and heading out to Liberty Island provides the perfect opportunity to get an up-close look at this magnificent lady. As you approach, you'll be awestruck by the sheer size and grandeur of the statue, which has stood as a symbol of freedom and democracy for generations. And the views from the island are simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic perspective of the bustling Manhattan skyline and the historic Ellis Island. It's an experience that allows you to bask in the symbolic significance of this national treasure, connecting you to the ideals of liberty that it represents. Little Italy and Chinatown. Exploring the vibrant neighborhoods of Little Italy and Chinatown is like taking a delicious trip around the world without ever leaving the city. You've got authentic cuisine, bustling markets, and cultural festivals galore just waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling the streets, popping into colorful shops, and then stopping to sample mouth-watering Italian pastries or traditional Chinese dumplings. It's a feast for all the senses, the sights, sounds, smells, and incredible flavors. You'd be crazy to miss out on the chance to fully immerse yourself in these rich, cultural enclaves. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and experience the best of Little Italy and Chinatown. Battery Park. After a busy day exploring the sights and attractions of the city, Battery Park offers the perfect tranquil escape. This picturesque waterfront green space provides a serene oasis amidst the bustling urban landscape. As you wander through the park, you'll be treated to stunning vistas of the iconic Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, which sit majestically across the harbor. It's the ideal setting to unwind and recharge, whether you choose to take a leisurely stroll, spread out a blanket for a peaceful picnic, or simply sit back and watch the ferries glide gracefully across the sparkling waters. The park's natural beauty and the breathtaking backdrop of the city skyline create a truly calming and rejuvenating atmosphere, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment and leave the stresses of the day behind. 9/11 Tribute. If you're looking to pay your respects and reflect on the tragic events of 9/11, the 9/11 Memorial and Museum is a powerful and poignant place to visit. The memorial features twin reflecting pools that sit in the footprints of the original Twin Towers, providing a somber and meaningful space for remembrance. As you explore the museum's exhibits, you'll have the chance to delve deeper into the history of that fateful day, learning about the victims, the first responders, and the incredible resilience of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable adversity. It's a humbling and moving experience that allows you to connect with the past and honor the memory of all those who were lost. South Street Seaport. The historic South Street Seaport District is a true gem that transports visitors back in time with its cobblestone streets and vintage ships. As you wander through this charming area, you'll be enchanted by the quaint shops, the stunning architecture of the old warehouses, and the waterfront restaurants that offer breathtaking views of the East River. Whether you're a history buff or simply someone who appreciates a charming and atmospheric setting, South Street Seaport has something to delight everyone. The district's unique blend of historic charm and modern amenities makes it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the city. Joe's Pizza. A trip to downtown Manhattan just isn't the same without treating yourself to a classic New York-style pizza slice from the legendary Joe's Pizza. Nestled in the heart of Greenwich Village, this beloved neighborhood pizzeria has been dishing out its iconic, mouth-watering slices since way back in 1975. When you step through the doors, you're hit with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked dough, tangy tomato sauce, and melted, gooey cheese. Then, when you finally sink your teeth into that thin, crispy crust, you're transported right to the streets of New York City. It's the quintessential pizza experience that every visitor has to try. Brooklyn Bridge. Iconic skyline views. Taking a leisurely stroll or leisurely bike ride across the iconic Brooklyn Bridge is an absolute must for anyone seeking unparalleled views of the Manhattan skyline and the stunning East River. As you traverse this engineering marvel, you'll be awestruck by the bridge's magnificent Gothic arches and the intricate web of cables that support its structure. Whether you time your journey to coincide with the vibrant hues of sunrise or the warm glow of sunset, the breathtaking vistas from the Brooklyn Bridge are guaranteed to leave you in a state of pure wonder and amazement. It's truly one of those quintessential New York City experiences that you simply can't miss. One World Observatory. Sky-high panorama. Climbing to the top of One World Trade Center, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, is an exhilarating experience. Hop aboard the Skypod elevator for a wild ride up to the observation deck, where you'll be treated to jaw-dropping 360-degree views of the entire New York City skyline through the floor-to-ceiling windows. It's like seeing the Big Apple from a whole new bird's-eye perspective. The sights are truly awe-inspiring and will leave you feeling on top of the world. It's the perfect spot to take in the iconic landmarks, bustling streets, and sheer scale of this incredible city. Union Square. Lively gathering place. If you're looking for a lively, action-packed spot to explore in downtown Manhattan, be sure to head to Union Square Park. This bustling hub is a real hotspot of activity, drawing in both locals and tourists alike. At the heart of it all is the Green Market, where you can browse an array of fresh, locally sourced produce and other goods. But that's not all. The park also plays host to all sorts of street performers, adding to the electric, vibrant atmosphere. And surrounding the Green Market and performers, you'll find a whole host of eclectic shops and boutiques just waiting to be discovered. If you're in the mood to do some shopping, grab some fresh fruits and veggies, or simply soak up the energy of the place, Union Square Park is definitely worth a visit. It's a true melting pot where people come together to socialize, explore, and experience the best of what downtown Manhattan has to offer. Chelsea Market. Culinary adventure. Chelsea Market is the perfect spot for a delicious and exciting culinary escapade. This historic factory building has been transformed into a vibrant food hall and shopping destination, offering a veritable treasure trove of gourmet foods, artisanal goods, and unique gifts. As you wander through the bustling corridors, your senses will be delighted by the aromas and flavors of the market's diverse array of vendors. Indulge in artisanal chocolates, freshly baked pastries, and a mouth-watering selection of international delicacies, all waiting to be discovered. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure and explore the endless possibilities that Chelsea Market has to offer. High Line. Elevated urban oasis. For a relaxing and enjoyable outdoor experience, take a leisurely stroll along the High Line, an elevated park cleverly constructed atop an abandoned freight rail line. As you meander along this urban oasis, you'll be treated to a bounty of visual delights, including lush gardens, captivating art installations, and breathtaking skyline views. Whether you're in the mood for a peaceful respite from the city's hustle and bustle or simply want to embark on a scenic promenade, the High Line provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the surrounding metropolis dynamic landscape. Downtown Manhattan beckons with a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. From historic landmarks to culinary delights, cultural treasures to scenic vistas, this dynamic district has it all. So, lace up your walking shoes, grab your appetite, and prepare for an unforgettable journey through the heart of New York City.